Hello everyone and welcome to this in-depth review of the EVERSECU OTDR Fiber Optic Tester, a versatile, all-in-one tool designed for your fiber optic network and CCTV needs. This innovative device brings together an OTDR fiber optic tester, 8K IP&Analog camera tester, Gigabit SFP, cable tracker, visual fault locator, and many more functions, making it an essential gadget for professionals in the field. At its core, the EVERSECU tester delivers multifunction capabilities with ease of use and precision. Its OTDR feature supports dual wavelengths at 1310 and 1550 nanometers, allowing for a maximum test range of up to 150 kilometers. This means you can automatically analyze linkers and fusion points, view and save testing curves, and perform detailed assessments such as fiber length, attenuation levels, splice loss, and even pinpoint failures along your fiber optic lines. This makes it highly valuable for construction, maintenance, and troubleshooting of cable networks. The tester's functionality extends impressively into the world of CCTV and IP cameras. Equipped with an 8K camera testing feature and a 7-inch IPS touchscreen boasting a 1920 by 1200 resolution, it supports H.265 IP cameras, CVBS analog cameras, and HD coaxial cameras. The ability to batch activate and manage settings on various camera brands, including DH and Hike, along with face recognition and report generation, is a game changer for security system installers and maintenance teams. Another standout feature is the SFP optical module port that allows the integration of optical fiber testing directly through an inserted SFP module. Combined with an optical power meter, lens focal length evaluation, and a visual fault locator, this function provides an unmatched level of convenience. The device also includes extensive cable testing options such as RJ45, TDR, and digital cable tracing, covering lengths up to 1.2 kilometers with accuracy that professionals will appreciate. Real-life users have reported that the EVERSECU tester excels in multitasking. Its ability to function as a network tool, come with a built-in distance meter, and provide real-time traffic monitoring are definite highlights. However, while its wide-ranging applications offer substantial value, some users have noted that the sheer breadth of functions may require a learning curve and careful navigation through a variety of menus and settings. In comparison to similar products in the market, the EVERSECU tester stands out due to its comprehensive design and connectivity options, such as HDMI, VGA, and multiple power outputs. To get the most out of this device, it is advisable to spend time familiarizing yourself with its multifunction interface and leverage its post-test reporting and remote control features to simplify routine tasks. Overall, the EVERSECU OTDR fiber optic tester is highly recommended for technicians, network engineers, and security system professionals looking for a robust, multifunctional tester. Thank you for listening, and greetings to all our viewers.